southwestern Ford County in east central Illinois until 6 p.m. At 4:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Fairbury, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Paxton, Gibson City, Malvern, Roberts, Elliott, and Sibley, including the following interstate: Interstate 57 near mile marker 258. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service